Good morning, students. We are solving chapter 5, simultaneous linear equation of two variables, exercise 5.1, question number 2. This question states that solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method. These equations are 6x plus 3y equal to 7xy and 3x plus 9y equal to 11xy. In this we are saying towards RHS, the coefficient of xy are given, those are 7 and 11. So both the equations are divided by xy. For that I have written 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equal to 7xy by xy. So this x and x cancelled, 6 by y is left, plus y and y cancelled, 3 by x is left, equal to xy cancelled, only 7 is left. This is equation number 1. Similarly, 3x plus 9y plus 11xy is also divided by xy. 3x by xy plus 9y by xy equal to 11xy by xy. X cancelled, this y cancelled, xy and xy are cancelled. 3 by y plus 9 by x equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Now I have considered 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. Then from 1 and 2, this will be 6b plus 3a equal to 7, equation number 3, and this will be 3b plus 9a equal to 11, equation number 4. Here, as per the rule of elimination method, we will choose any equation and we will make any one coefficient of variable equal. Here I have selected equation number 3, and in the second term we are seeing here is 3a, here is 9a. If we multiply this 3a by 3, then we can get 9a. Then these two will be equal. So I multiplied equation number 3 by 3. Now this equation became from 3 and 4, from these two equations. These two equations became now 3 6 is 18b plus 3 3 is 9a equal to 3 7 is 21. After that 3b plus 9a equal to 11. Now we have two options. Either we will add these two equations or we will subtract these two equations. So that any term, equal terms will be cancelled. These two are equal terms, both have plus signs. So if you subtract this lower equation from upper equation, then all this sign will be changed. Plus will be minus. So I changed the sign. Now we are seeing that plus 9a minus 9a, these two will be cancelled. These two will solve. 18b minus 3b equal to 15b equal to 21 minus 11, that is 10. So 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. b equal to 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by y. Therefore y equal to 3 by 2. After getting this value, I used equation number 3, and in this equation number 3 I kept the value of b equal to 2 by 3. So I got 6 into 2 by 3. Because here is 6b, at the place of b 2 by 3 is kept. 6 into 2 by 3 plus 3a equal to 7. 3a equal to 7 minus 12 by 3, 6 2 are 12, 12 by 3. This side was plus, after going that side it will be minus, following the rule of transposition. Then 3a equal to, this became LCM, 21 minus 12, 3a equal to 9 by 3, 3 3 are 9, 3a equal to 3, so a equal to 1, and that is equal to 1 by x. So x equal to 1 by 1 or x equal to 1. Therefore these values became x equal to 1 and y equal to 3 by 2. Question number 2c, the equations are 3u plus 2b equal to 6 and u by 3 minus b by 6 equal to 1 by 2. 3u plus 2b equal to 6 is equation number 1, and this equation I solved in this way. U by 3 minus b by 6 equal to 1 by 2. LCM is 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 into u, 2u minus minus 6 1 is 6, 1 into v equal to 1 by 2. By cross multiplication, this will be multiplied by 2, 2 into 2u minus v equal to 6, 2 2 is 4u minus 2v equal to 6. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, 3u plus 2v equal to 6 and 4u minus 2v equal to 6. In these terms, we are seeing the coefficient of variable v is equal and both have the negative opposite sign. So in this case, if you add these two equations, then these two will be cancelled, and here this calculation will be 7u and here 12. So u equal to 12 by 7. Now I used equation number 1, that is 3u plus 2v equal to 6. At the place of u, I kept the value of u 12 by 7, so 3 into 12 by 7 plus 2v equal to 6. 12 3 is 36 by 7 plus 2v equal to 6. 2v equal to 6 minus 36 by 7. 2v equal to, this LCM 7, 7 6 is 42 minus 36. So 2v equal to 6 by 7. This minus this, 6 by 7. 2 3 is 6, so b equal to 3 by 7. In this way we get the values of u equal to 12 by 7 and v equal to 3 by 7. Question number 3, solve the following simultaneous equations. Here the process is not mentioned, so we are free to follow any process. Question number A, 13a minus 11b equal to 70, 11a minus 13b equal to 74. I have followed elimination method. For that, we shall equal the coefficient of the variable. For that reason, I multiplied equation number 1 by 13 and equation number 2 by 11. So this equation became 169a minus 143b equal to 17 into 30, 910. And equation number 2 became 121a minus 143b equal to 74 into 11 equal to 814. Here we are seeing that these two terms are equal, but both have the same sign, that is minus. We shall make this plus. For that we will subtract this lower equation from the upper equation, and then all the signs will change. We will write the opposite signs. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus, and plus will be minus. So minus 143b and plus 143b cancelled. Solution of these two became 48a and solution of these two became 96. 48 2 is 96, therefore a equal to 2. Now from equation number 1, that is 13a minus 11b equal to 70. Here at the place of a I kept this value 2. So the equation became 13 into 2 minus 11b equal to 70. 13 into 2 equal to 26 minus 11b equal to 70. So this minus 11b went that side. By the rule of transposition, after going that side it will be plus 11b and 70 will come this side. So that after coming this side it will be minus 70. So this become 26 minus 70. So 11b equal to, this solution became minus 44. 11 4 ja 44, therefore b equal to minus 4. So the values of a and b became a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 4.